Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the IRA setup with Betterment for retirement investing step by step clearly. To begin the IRA setup with Betterment for retirement investing, visit the Betterment website. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Provide your email address and create a password. Next, fill out the required personal information including your name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to answer questions about your employment status. After that, you will need to select your investment goals. Choose whether you are saving for retirement, a major purchase, or other financial goals. Once your goals are set, proceed to the risk assessment. Answer questions about your investment experience and risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Betterment will provide a recommended asset allocation. Review the suggested portfolio carefully. If you agree with the allocation, you can continue. Next, decide on the type of IRA you want to open. Select between a traditional or Roth IRA based on your tax preferences. Fill in the required IRA application information. This will include your Social Security number and beneficiary details. After completing the application, review all your information for accuracy. Once everything is verified, submit your application. You will then need to fund your IRA account. Choose a funding method, such as bank transfer or rollover from another account. Follow the prompts to link your bank account or provide account information for rollovers. Complete the funding process by entering the amount you wish to invest. Finally, confirm your investment selection and review your initial setup. Once your account is funded, Betterment will start managing your investments. Keep an eye on your account and make adjustments as necessary. Congratulations, you are now set up for retirement investing with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.